It is sometimes difficult to paint on very smooth surfaces. We'll show you that with Oratrol products there is always a solution. ESP is ideal for adhering paint to smooth, non-porous surfaces like ceramics, glass, paint, tiles, laminate, plastic. Apply ESP with a brush and after a few minutes of drying, wipe off excess with a cloth. Paint may be applied after 2 hours or up to 7 days later. It adheres strongly and immediately to the surface. Its unique colourless formula allows you to give a new look to the base of this lamp. Apply a tinted varnish and you will keep the original surface textured. ESP, the solution to easily give a new look. There is always a solution with Oratrol.